He's noisy. Listen to him. Huh. That's all the corellas, isn't it?
There we go.
Oh, there we go. Must be feeding time.
What it is, they get all the prawns and everything that go in between the racks.
Yeah. Wonder if we can zoom in more.
Don't think you can get that far, mate.
What's it go to?
Behind you, Mum.
Wombat playing with his drone. Big kid, we're watching you. Big brother is watching. I don't think I like that zoom. Not here. Doesn't need it. Let's go back. There we go. That's a bit nicer. What are the colours in the sky? A really nice night down here for a walk after work. Oh, here he's drone. Keeps telling me it's for the videos. No, it's because he's a big kid. He's having a ball. Don't have to hide those things from me, Wombat. I'm well aware. Well, this is just a really nice night. No phones, no people, just nature. That's pretty darn good. Well, tomorrow's another new day, so I'm going to sign off and go have a fantastic night.